Alright, let's go! So, down here in the article shader source fragment number 8, within our main function, we're not doing anything. Because I forgot some data. We need some other data before we can work more on this renderer. And within data by system, within the ABOMB08 top level data, we've done just that. So here's all these different graphics for all these different things, but we forgot the graphics for the alternate geometry. Like, after you blow up a piece of geometry, it needs a destroyed state. The destroyed state is going to be stored in these things called alternate tiles or Alto tiles. If you destroy nothingness, well, nothingness should still be there, so the graphic 0 is still going to be just absolutely nothing there. And then for all the different alternate graphics, we're just putting question marks, right? So alternate graphic 1 for v16 equals 1, alternate graphic 2 for when v16 equals 2, right? v16 standing for our tile value, right? Value 0 to 15 inclusive, v16, a capacity of 16 tile values. All of these are just question marks, because I need to actually formalize what these different materials mean before I can figure out what to draw in here. So we're going to do that in another video. And then also, in the My Fucking Fingers Hurt section, we have these lookup tables, right? V16 to A81 eons, V16 to A81 geom, V16 to A81 bombs, V16 to fata, and then V16 to our A81 Alto graphics. So here's all those little graphics I showed you, 0 to 15 inclusive, in a nice little lookup table. V16 goes in, and the uncompressed graphic goes out. And then down here in the compressed lookup tables, we have allocated memory. For this new lookup table. This is the compressed version of the lookup table. So V16 to U81 Alto, so not A81 Alto, but U81. U81 is the compressed version of the A81s. So it's a 9x9 graphic, but it's bit packed into a set of 3 uint32s. Those uint32s are called U27s, because we only use 27 of the 32 bits. So we're just allocating the memory. We'll do more in another video. Here's what we did previously. We have some footnotes and stuff. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. You have been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Technical demos here. Source code here. And ways to get hold of me. So like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch and a game. A game engine and a game. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.